Now it's time to run paid Facebook group ads. In my last video I told you about this. Now it's time to show you everything step by step. Let me show you my Facebook account first. You know what, like other people, they create Facebook ad from default Facebook ad program, like from here manage ads, but I will not suggest you to do that at the very first time when you run your affiliate. You know what, why I'm doing this, why I'm telling you, because when you run an affiliate campaign, and especially when your niche is make money online, or you choose to promote health related offer, and you know what, these are so competitive niche, it is so tough to get a positive return of investment when you run affiliate campaign using default Facebook ad program. So rather paying Facebook itself, you will pay the right people who has a great audience, who has the right people who are really looking for information related to your niche, whatever your niche, it doesn't matter. But you know, I'm promoting Ready Detox, which is a diet plan, diet related offer. So I'm going to show you all the things step by step, and for you guys I created a roadmap for you, and I'm going to show you that. So this is my Facebook marketing plan. I listed my steps here. For the first time, use your real Facebook ID. Don't use any fake female ID. Don't use any people's own image and contents, because one day Facebook will ask you, Facebook will verify you, and you will not be able when you use a fake female ID or anything like that. So make sure you use your own real Facebook ID. Whatever you look like, it does not matter. And join the most active groups related to your niche, and how you can find which group is most active. And when you search your keyword like how to lose weight or diet plan, keto diet plan, something like that, any keywords, and I told you how to find those keywords, and now you will use those keywords to find the groups. And you can, when you search this keyword, and you can see this group has a huge member, and it has 10 plus posts a day. And like you see, these are the very good groups. Now you see 23k members, but there is no post in a day, so that means it is not a good group. And you see 164k members, but 7 posts a day, so that is not also an active group. So by this way you can find out the best, but make sure you will not join a group and you will not do any marketing when you see there are only affiliates, not the real people. Affiliates are posting their offers after offers, but there are not any right people who are looking for weight loss related information. So if you see this, then you will not do any marketing and you will leave that group. So make sure you join the right group. So make sure you join the right how to lose weight group. That is what I am talking about. So the next move, join maximum 10 groups in a day. If you join more than 10 groups, Facebook can block you. Facebook will block you anytime. Make sure you are added in 50 plus groups before you do this marketing. At least 50 plus groups you should join first, and at least spend 7 days and share valuable post without any link. And how you can do that, you know, when you join a group, no one knows you, so make sure you post some values, post some valuable information. You can go Instagram and search diet plan, and you will find good images with some information, and you can copy that and you can paste in groups, and people will love that information. And when you scroll down in Facebook group, and you will see there are people who are looking for information, there are people who are asking for help how to lose weight, and you will leave your comment there with information. You will not post any link in the first 7 days. Now after 7 days you can now share your YouTube videos, like I told you that I'm using CC common creative YouTube videos, and those videos are really fine. And you can now find more creative common video like how to lose weight, and if you find out a good informative video, now you can post that video in the Facebook group. So this way you will get good popularity. But if the group admin, like if you see the group policy, no share of any YouTube video, then you will not do that. So make sure you also read their policy first before you do any kind of activities. Now it's time to contact with the group owner and write a message like this. Hi, I would like to advertise on your group. This is my video or offer link. This is a free info ebook and your group members will love it. How much will you charge for announcement post per day? If it's a nice fare, I will pay you in advance. Thanks. So you're going to pay the group owner advance. It's not a problem because those guys are trusted by the group and they will not cheat you. So you can pay him in advance. How you can do that? So this is a group, and if you go the group, and now you can see the admins, and you can send him a friend request and you can contact with him. So make sure at least you send this message at least 50 group owner, and at least 2 or 3 people will accept your offer and they will make a deal with you. And make sure you watch the group engagement first, like how many people really they are looking for information. And if you see there are lots of people, lots of engagements, lots of likes, comments, then you can make a deal like $5 or $10 per day with the group owner. And how much they charge, and they will you will also do some bargaining with the group owner, group admin, and you will come at the final step. And you know what, I usually pay $5 to $10 per day. So if it's a 7 days campaign, I usually pay $35, and I get so many traffic. And if you also do this, you will also get lots of traffic. And make sure you build a list when you do this Facebook group marketing. And for this, I'm promoting Red Detox program, and I already created a landing page with my ClickFunnels, and I also shared this landing page in my video description where you can find this. And if you click that, and it will be imported on your ClickFunnels account, and you can easily edit this, change the background. But this is a very good looking landing page where a very short text ad like simple formula helped me to lose 20 pounds in 22 days. This is weird, but it works. You see, very nice. And people will leave their email address here, and when they click here get free report, they will be redirected to this thank you page. Thanks, check your email. And there I will send him a free detox ebook which I got from the affiliate resources that I already talked in my previous video, that I found all the information in their affiliate resources, and I found an ebook there, and I put my affiliate link in that ebook, and people will go through the ebook, and if they click on that link, then I will get sales. So this is the way I will do ebook marketing. And here is another trick. It may take a few minutes to arrive by email. While you check out this free video explained what should be your next move to burn your extra fat, and they will click on here, watch this video, and here I put my affiliate link of our Red Detox program, and they will go to that offer page, and if they purchase, I will get sales. So this is the way you can also build your list when you do Facebook group marketing, and people will love this, and people will get free report from you. And you will also set up some program in your autoresponder, and you can easily connect an autoresponder here using ClickFunnels. Like when you come here, let me show you this one, and if you click here edit page, and you can add any of your autoresponder. If you already have an existing autoresponder like GetResponse or Uber, I usually use GetResponse. And settings, integration, select integration. This is my GetResponse, and now you can select any of your list here, and you can add that list here. And any people when give their email address, they will be stored in your GetResponse account, and you can set up a few follow-up email series like 7-day follow-up email series or 10-day follow-up email series, and people will click that. People will get email from you in those days. This is the way you will do remarketing. And let's move to the next step. So this is what I am talking about. Make a deal by watching the activities, members, and other things. If you see there are huge members, 20k members, 30k members, lots of likes, now you can pay him up to 10 US dollar. It's up to you. But if you see there are a few members, 10k members, not so many likes, then you will make a deal like 5 US dollar per day. Now sit back and watch the audience activities. Hopefully you will get tons of sales during the campaign. And I will also run a campaign, and hopefully I will also get a lot of traffic. I will build my list, and in the same time I will also get some sales. So my campaign is running both in the Facebook group ads, sorry, I already have a running paid ad using Google Ads, and now I will do this paid Facebook group ads, and I will pay some on, and hopefully within the 5 days or 7 days I will get some sales, and I will wait for this. And in the next video I will show you my account dashboard, how many traffics I got. I will also show you my YouTube channel, how many views I got, how many clicks I got, and hopefully I will be able to show you some sales from my account dashboard. So pray for me. And in the next video I'm going to talk about this retargeting ads, but make sure we get some traffic first, because if we don't have so many traffic data, we can't do the retargeting ad. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a great day.